In the quiet of night, a small cat ventures into a dimly lit room, its curiosity piqued by the shadows. Moonlight spills through the window, painting the floor with streaks of silver as the cat continues its exploration. Suddenly, its eyes widen, drawn to a flickering candle on a table, its flame dancing seductively. The flame beckons, capturing the cat's full attention as it stares, mesmerized by the light. In the softly lit room, a curious cat begins its cautious approach toward a flickering candle. The cat stares intently, head tilting in a silent attempt to decipher the flame's elusive nature. Shadows dance around the cat, enhancing the mystery of the moment. I shine brightest when the world is darkest. The cat remains still, bathed in the warm glow of the candle, completely captivated by its allure. The candle's soft light illuminates the cat in the darkness. In the cozy room, the candle flickers softly, casting a gentle glow. A cat curls up beside the candle, its fur bathed in the warm light. The cat purrs contentedly, a sense of peace washing over it. The candle's small light brings comfort and warmth to the cat's soul. Darkness recedes as the room fills with a sense of tranquility. The cat remains still, a picture of serene contentment in the softly lit room.